Hello to all my viewers, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta and today we'll understand how to create stacked area chart in Power BI. So, to create another chart, make sure that you click on the white portion of this canvas. Click on the stacked area chart. We'll have to specify x-axis, y-axis, legend, small multiples and tooltips. So let's start with x-axis. I'll pick up the category. On y-axis, sales. Activate the focus mode. In legend, let's pick up the segment. So the orange color represents the home office, corporate, consumer, and in small multiples, we will select region. So we are having four charts. Now, if I only want to display the consumer segment, just click on it. Consumer, corporate, home office. Now, you pick up the subcategory from here and drop it into the x-axis. Now, as soon as I include one more variable in x-axis, the drill up and drill down button will get activated. So let's press this. This is drill up, which means that this chart is according to the category, the first one. If I press this, go to the next level in the hierarchy, then it will be according to the subcategory. If we want that all the hierarchies are displayed, then click on this. All the hierarchies will be displayed, category and subcategory. So let's remove the subcategory from here. Now you hover a mouse on any area. So the information which we are getting is the sales information according to the segment. If we require more information on any area, the tooltip option is available. So let's pick up the profit and drop it into the tooltip. And let's check is it giving it or not. Yes, it is giving. Let's pick up the quantity and drop it here. So it will display the quantity also. Now format your visual. So we'll start formatting the x-axis. So I can increase or decrease the font size. You can see the office supplies technology, their font size are increasing. We can change the color. We can have a dark color here. Title. If I specify, if I write any title here, it will be displayed on the x-axis. So let's write down sales according to the segment. So it's appearing here. We can make it bold, italic, and we can change the color also. Now activate the y-axis. At any moment of time, if you want to reset to default, just press it and it is reset to default. In y-axis, the range has been specified auto. You can just change it and see the changes which will happen on the y-axis on the values. You can invert the range. Your Z axis, Z y-axis is on. If I off it, this numbers will appear in the center also. Values. We can increase or decrease the values of this. We can increase or decrease the font size of these values. The color can be changed. Display unit is in million. Let's make it into the thousands. And shared y-axis on. The decimal places can be selected. We want 1 decimal or 2 decimal. That can also be done. Switch axis position. Now again, you can activate the title and you can view the title here and it will be displayed on y-axis. So at present of it, we don't require right now. Legend. So this is your legend. You do require in top left, top right, So all these positions can be selected. Let's say center left or bottom center. The text of this can be changed. That is, the color can be changed. I'll pick up another color from here. The font size can be increased. Activate the title. So it's written segment. I can introduce segment wise and see it is it displays the segment wise. Now activate the small multiples. So the chart is displayed into 2 by 2 matrix. We can make it 3 by 3 or 1 by 3 or 1 by 1. So let's keep it 2 by 2. By increasing this padding, the white space in this chart will increase. The customized padding can also be activated. The inner row padding and outer row padding. Just scroll it and try to adjust it. Outer padding, inner row padding, outer row padding, borders. So we are having only two borders. If you require borders on all four sides, click on all. So it's a solid black color line. Let us make it blue and we will increase its line width. The title, central, east, south, west. Let us take on bottom. The color. And select the color also. Make sure that the alignment is in the center. So now central, east, west, south, they are in the middle. If the title is long, text wrapping should be activated. Background. We have to specify the background for this titles. So instead of this, let's select another color, a gray color. And can we increase or decrease its transparency? Yeah, we can increase and decrease its transparency. Grid lines. The dotted grid lines are there. We don't require any grid line. Lines. The color is solid. Sorry, the line style is solid. You can have it dashed. So all will be dashed. Round. You require linear, smooth, or step. Normally we keep it linear only. Colors. You can select the colors. Let's change one color and see what happens. Done. Let's take one more dark color and see. And here also we will take one more dark color. Still we require more dark. So by clicking on the reverse stack order, the sequence will change. See, shade area. How much transparency is necessary? So we'll make it dark. Okay, fine. Spacing, minimum category weight. Markers, we don't have any markers right now. Activate the markers. So there are round markers. I can change its shape and we can make it triangle. Size can be increased. Data labels, activate on. So apply settings to all or only on consumer. This can be done. Options, where to place these markers. It is auto, inside and out, inside center. Values. So we can change the color, the size, and the font of this values. So let's increase it and make it bold. So it is displayed properly. Display units. It is in thousands. We can make it in millions or billions or trillions. Value decimals, keep as it is. Otherwise, you can, if you want, you can increase the decimals also. Background on it. So you can see they are having a background now. You want to change the color, you can pick up the color from here and let's say black color. See, this is the background. Series label. Do I require a series label or not? If I on it, it will appear on left hand side or right hand side. See this series label. Maximum width. If I increase it or decrease it, where do I require the series label, on right hand side or left hand side? So this is on left hand side. Values. So we can change the font type, size and color also. Do we require the background for this? That is also possible. So background on. See the background. Now plot the area background. So I can insert the image also here. Then open and increase the transparency. So in format visual, this was a visual setting. Now let's talk about the general setting. Now back to the report. By clicking on properties, I can increase the height of the chart. We can increase the width of it. See, the width is increasing. Position. By increasing this number, the chart will move on the right hand side. By increasing this number, the chart will move to the bottom. Padding. The white space can be adjusted on all the four corners. So if I increase this number, the inner chart, this chart will move towards the bottom. If I increase this, then it will move towards the top. If I increase this number, it will move on right hand side. If I increase this, it will move on left hand side. In advanced options, make sure that the responsive is on. Activate the title. So it displays say sum of sales, sum of profit. We don't require sum. So let's remove this sales and profit, sales, profit, and quantity. We can make it italic, text color. Do we require the background color? So say, let's select the background color, and this time we are going to select light color. Keep it in the center. Make sure that the text wrapping is on. Otherwise, if you off it, see this sales, profit, and quantity, and on it. So this is text wrapping. Subtitle. If the subtitle is necessary, you can activate it. Otherwise, keep it off. Divider. So this line is a divider. Do we require a thick divider? Then increase the width. Three options are available: dashed, solid, or dotted. Keep it solid only. Spacing. If we increase this number, see the vertical spacing is increasing. Effects. Background. Now we have to give the background to this chart. So let's pick up the silent colors. The transparency is increased. Visual borders on it. So it's a black color border. You require a rounded corners. Yeah, I require the rounded corners. Shadow on it. Shadow. We require the black color shadow. Bottom right. Yes, it is there. The shadow is activated. Header icons. It is related to this header icons. The background border and icon is related to this filters, focus mode, or more options. So I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous tutorials in which I have discussed about this header icons. In icons, make sure that everything is on. So we are ready with the stacked chart, stacked area chart. Activate the focus mode. So it looks quite interesting. Now minimize this. Click on three dots, export the data. The data can be exported in CSV format. Moreover, show as table. So this is your chart and this is your table. We can have a vertical layout. sort small multiples. So the sorting can be done according to the region, sum of sales, sum of profit, sum of quantity. You select any variable here, and the sorting will can be done in ascending or descending order. The sum of profit. So it's descending. You can activate ascending. Again, sort axis according to the category, descending and ascending. Sort legend according to the segment, descending and ascending. So back to the report. So this was all about stacked area chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.